Think you can't eat healthy for under $5? Think again. Yes, delicious, filling meals under $5 are 100% possible. You don't need fancy ingredients or a big wallet, just smart ideas and a little planning. In this video, I'll show you how to eat well, save money, and feel great doing it. Let's dive into budget friendly meals that taste amazing. Let's go. Eating good food doesn't have to cost a lot. You can make healthy, tasty meals for under $5. It just takes smart shopping and simple cooking. Here are some ideas and tips to help you. Number 1, rice and beans. This is a classic budget meal. Rice is cheap and filling. Beans are full of protein and fiber. You can add some spices or vegetables to make it taste even better. A big bowl can cost less than $2. Number 2, egg fried rice. Got leftover rice? Add eggs, frozen veggies, and soy sauce. Cook everything in a pan. It's quick, tasty, and costs around $3 for 2 servings. Number 3, pasta with tomato sauce. Pasta is very affordable. You can buy a pack for $1. Add a can of tomato sauce and some garlic or herbs. That's a full meal for around $2. You can add a little cheese if you have it. Number 4, veggie stir fry. Buy frozen or fresh vegetables on sale. Cook them in a pan with a bit of light oil, garlic, and soy sauce. Serve with rice or noodles. This tasty meal can cost from $3 to $4 and feeds more than one person. Number 5, peanut butter banana sandwich. This is perfect for breakfast or a light dinner. Bread, peanut butter, and a banana. It's healthy, quick, and costs around $1.5. Number 6, oatmeal with fruits. Oats are cheap and keep you full. Add milk or water, then top with banana, apple, or any fruit you like. This filling breakfast costs around $2. Number 7, lentil soup. Lentils are rich in protein and very cheap. Cook them with onions, carrots, garlic, and some spices. It makes a big pot for around $4. And you can eat it for days. Number 8, tuna salad wraps. Mix canned tuna with mayo, onions, and lettuce. Wrap it in a tortilla or bread. It's tasty and healthy when wrap costs about $2 to $2.5. Tips to save more. Buy store brands. They are cheaper but just as good. Look for discounts and coupons. Cook in bulk and save leftovers. Use ingredients you already have at home. These meals are not only cheap, they are also easy to cook, filling, and healthy. You don't need a fancy kitchen or lots of time. Just Keep it simple and smart. See, eating well for under $5 is totally double. Now you have got simple meals that save money and taste great. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your budget loving friends. Hit subscribe for more easy, affordable meal ideas. Thanks for watching, and remember, good food doesn't have to be expensive. See you next time.